chỉ tao vừa nhiều quá 싫어 싫어 chốt cho cái này chốt qua sẽ vậy nhận mang gì à đây là sim mang gì mang mình cứ làm mình tin rồi nốt việc mình tin rồi dạ này cô làm mấy thằng ơi không có đủ tụ có thằng
India moved towards changing the healthcare landscape of Southeast Asia. India hospital, located in Manipur, the easternmost part of India, bordering with Burma, has been positioned to be a premium and leading brand in healthcare services in Southeast Asia, recognized by our customers for our holistic approach, personal touch, and technological advancements by 2018. We are currently 200 beds ISO 9000 we are poised for the reputation of being one of the leading healthcare destinations across India. We are
không đâu bro. Gì chất ly à? Chất lâu nhiều.
Indirectly to our organization. It is fundamentally that have given the Manipur is best described as a combination of excellence in compassion, powerhouse of support, the land which is really popular in the world, India ASEAN Highway number 1 and 2 and railways often used to connect with the ASEAN nations. Inside airport or international. These are reasons for inclusive role of the state. We at Shida have been working for the past 2 decades providing world-class quality healthcare and aspiring to be a healthcare hub of South Asia. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the dynamic Manipur Creative Episode 5. That's the Diriba Well, it was wonderful to see many excited, motivated participants for this show. I would like to thank you for taking the time from your busy schedule to attend this program. We really appreciate it. My name is Luca Warrenholm, and I'm an Assistant General Secretary of North America Manipur Association, and I'm also a core executive member of the I, along with Elizabeth Obrant, will be the visitor observer today. Elizabeth, would you like to introduce yourself? Hi, my name is Elizabeth Obrant, and I'm the Joint Secretary of Dynamic Manipur, and we are happy to have you. Wonderful. So we have conducted inspiration episodes, 4 inspiration episodes in the past, and so many charismatic leaders and talented program and delivered inspirational speeches to the students and everyone. And today is our cultural appreciation. This episode is going to be a very unique episode. The motive behind this episode is to give an opportunity to people to let them understand the importance of art, culture, and entertainment. And we have 3 inspirational speakers today, Padmashri Aribam Sharma, Ms. Lynn Laisham, and Mr. Oyan Garan. We also have 3 art performances. A full solo by the Manipur Cultural Ashram, Lema Jogoy by Vandana Wahibam and Rosina Pushaba. We also have Kunubishek by none other than the Manipur Diva Mangamena. Ladies and gentlemen, to begin this program, I would like to invite David Sharma, the Vice President of Dynamic Manipur, to deliver the Wells Members introduce Dynamic Manipur. Please welcome him on stage.
Thank you, Elizabeth. A very good morning to every one of you. I am David Sharma, Vice President of Dynamic Manipur.
giving welcome message to you all. This is the fifth episode, as having said, and exceptionally, this very episode will be a unique one, in the sense that all the other episodes have been on games and sports and educational themes and others. And today, we are taking this opportunity to have this very function is a meaningful one and a purposeful one to absorb all the talented persons, whoever wants to go in this line as their career. Now, I, on behalf of myself and on behalf of the organizing team of this episode 5, that we are not alone. When I say organizing team, we have certain official partners and media photography printer partners. I am on behalf of them also. I extend my warmest welcome to all of you. And today till now, the speaker having already said, Padma Shri Arigam Shyam Sharma will be giving speech. Though he is not here, I would take this privilege to welcome Padma Shri Arigam Shyam Sharma in this auspicious function today. And also, we have another great performer come this modeler, that Lynn Lysham. She will be giving a very valuable speech also. I extend my special welcome to Lynn Lysham also. Next, I also extend my warmest welcome to Ainam Goren, who will be giving a speech. Not only this, I also welcome the performer group team of Mangka Marine Number, who will be performing in this very episode. And also, I will not forget to mention all the media persons, electronic and print, whoever present here to cover this very auspicious program that we're organizing today. I hope you'll all make very warm place here till the end of this very function. I won't take much time. Rather, Aina, Nasigi, Tilabal Kugi, welcome Mr. C.P. Yugi, Kudong Charles Rodirga. Dynamic Manipur has the Kalino Aduga, si Tarawai, Kamaito, and Hoki, I see young Samba, once again. Nasigi, Kitan, Kitan, my see. Kangkona Manipur Haisi Anna Kangta Baba Mama Mokui Insu Hermana Kangkona Nasi Tawal District Londa Banama Lake Manipur. I could participants in the sign of all systems and the Roma system because the very sorry for this. Masih pensu, nak masih pensu. Orang ni ada di mesin lain. Untuk ini, dynamic Manipur hay si ikoina. Nasi naha ahal angang kamagin di udah bakna sinari ba social aduh ba yang baru ba pergi social ba pertemuan yang pernah sinari ba social media atau sinari ba Facebook hay ba Facebook ini ada di Facebook sudah makhluk kaya di apa di fatwa makhluk kaya di ꯊꯕꯛ ꯀꯌꯥꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯗꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯐꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯐꯠꯇꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯐꯕꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯅꯥꯃꯤꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ soil and economy dynamic dynamic president abroad United States from the Southeastern Asia amadi atop Europe ki mafum kaya Africa ki mafum kaya leiba adumba Manipuri phasi thabak tawuna leiba prati electron guru leiba Manipuri phasi Manipur phasi makoi singki atauba ekoi institution mamadagi ngasi ekoi dynamic Manipur sem ngasi ekoi dynamic Manipur si Manipur ki Cooperative Society Act Makara properly registered our body as well as a link to the pilot of the labor, honorary when I title when I leave a city, the Dr. Dr. Colin, Makoisi, equity, Meshiga, Heidi, Manipur, General Covers, Makoi, Kambushi, partnership team, Makulama, support Makulama, and Dynamic Manipur is about the Satarpada Atopa activities Kayada, free health care, model village, doctor, model village, this village, Makun Kana, I took the support for we are again. Haiwa, South. In among these activities, the city is of taxes Amani. The city is dynamic Manipur, Karino has a good name, but it's the Maki, if we don't promote the river Hangi. Adumaku, promote the English, if we promote the I the summer Torga, dynamic Manipur, see, Makui farming is very nice. I believe dynamic Manipur, I the city, it will be president, vice president, the economic institution, society, the Tawum, it will be tenure rate, it will be election or other, it will be Hai the group Pasiki, Nungi was the Wakulongi, Nasi Manipur 1980s Piki Horga, early 80s Piki Horga, Nasi of the Ladiba, Manipur is something like that. Some had the situations. Aruga, Yamasaranova, walking like Tadava, Maruksida, Nasi a warlike situation to have here. Similar people Sida. Hopefully, Naharon Sati, Amadi, Umi, Goriba, the city, Kabiba, Selisha, I am sincere. Makoising, Sigi, Tokum Sapun Krunka. A quick little second again, when you go again, have to say, someone else, stranded word. Masipu, a queen, Ushalaga, Tungi, Kari. I wish to see that Lady Lena, very Tokia, and the Heva, and the Latafa. Amma, we will have said, and I make many fools, Yam state for prayer. Nasida, Manipur government, Kimatanga, a walk from American, Masi, advisor, council, and other than a Panda, Yam federal walking cry, produced those again. Manipur state or after laugh, direct play upon it. Next 10 years ta ekoi la yang ki me ya soi de ngasi le ba ni la tu tere sigi manungda lai lai su hei ba exchange me jamba mi la ta tin ta government ni thauti anjan ti ra disi ma khara ma ka post creation to re hai su लाख अमर तो है कलर लाख मंगा अमदी थबक फंगना लाइक है वो उन नहीं कोई ने स्ट्राइक तो रोशी आ रहा है कोई ने any sort of कोई ये education तो अपना demand तो अपना करीन तो उपाय है अदुन अभी हाई को लाख तक कैसी कोई गवर्नमेंट जॉब आएगा हनुमु आएगा लेबर का कहीं तो अपना न करना कोई करीब तो वो याद रखिए हाई उसी की लंबी से मशीन ताक नोकी डायरेक्ट चुबा कोई छोटा नहीं कोई नाहन मुदा educational line da educational team da kaya mo to hai amo roda ko ekoi games and sports ko mari lena na Mr. World ba amadi andar tisu aso international award mo phangraba Dr. Mangum Santi Kumar ma masama ekoi di stage list da kung ama ligi speech na yam inspirational koi ba tum speech kalo ko speech hambi re Magis Pistutada, a Quishamaksu, the Sena, Yamna, who means is soaking weber, Amadi, killed over. I'm a poet. Running the Kaya, let him go Ampena, an answer, so the running the power. So no gana, I quina, expect Kaya, Sakama, Yamna in a funding Bamaga. I quit go to my equity, that Manipur, remember. Now the America the lady. Don't see how the Thola Gamana startup within dynamic Manipur, like means university, Manipur University means that Maduda Benuana, mini program of Pantoki. I will start we can see I saw to a hundred of Masuka in one confusion. Adu, Manu the son of Yoro, Matungadi. Maduroyoda, Dr. Masada, Amadi, Manu organized to be the Yamna, Dokun Council, Yavidi by Chino. Masika Tuna, Yapoito, Mamakai, Yampana, the fresh tone. Highly a systematic, ordinary situation to the Yampana to the open board. The startup began to the Piriva city, Kalimaheta. We come the labor weekend, have the Saturday the Horaga. Saturday, Sunday, Lumini, Karamba productive Koeva, a professional Koeva line mark must be the same among the day, based on the day, but with the settlement of the day, Hyper, Fortuna. That's the point we can do when we work. Mascamo, Yana, Equina, moving to Sinai, or you see, Kaino had the start against the Saturday entire program. Lumini is the Yana Pumba exercise. Exercise business management MBA professionalist amadi expertise kamuna professor kamuna makoi ga loina to ba adu exercise matam sida I isada leidriba constructive oiba ai masi yani khanjaba concept to madu puto ga kai start weekend stage da makoi na award pa aho bosing do mention laga madu puto ko matam dadi presentable lo form Having the business not to get a review, high moves that follow the video, don't me with an actual man hundred honorable hundred young soul me ready. My wife was successful on me. Yeah, the long child. Massimo dynamic Manipur, South say, Melody Asuma, Yam Marueva, equity activities, equity London, today, London seems that. Miwit Raja, Kulimaka, Sheba Kulama, Shane the Togumba, Aduna activities on the knee highlight count of day. Aduna, but we have a very dynamic Manipur of the Saturday activities, they were young, power activities, nothing hanging. However, dynamic Manipur Saturday was the Terando City, arts and culture and entertainment, see, Kimbamoina, Kanbano Hagado, Manuswari, Hackathon, and the Hagade. Manipur had a big criminal Masna, Chow River, the TV the Masakta you see. Hiram Nikata equal Sakuni man. One, game and sports, another art and culture. And it's games and sports to be a quick object. Other as I had to give a new laughter, Habak Pangana, Nipan, Habak Pangana, Labor, Lamsida. Thaba loina tobu yadaba business loina muksu tobu yadati. Khara amana art and culture da chatkani, khara amana games and sports da chatkani. Hai basing si eminent personality sing siga, renowned personality sing siga. Makoi ko unarga interaction torga, makoi ki wahi wata sing utarga, makoi ki kunsi si kamai horak kiya hai usse. Makoi khangul ho matunga. Ekoi da lei wa anagi. Sit ko phire tanamba pung gaming ba da goi shamin ka lei magashu. Nasi kami wa kira ucin sida natana atau kumang pangkaya agung balai itu. Wari itu yang tamda, maguna ekoi coba ungin fogat pa adu nabi ko ko ini hebse ekoi hazaba ama kamjaba ko loina nasiki kimasi art and culture entertainment ko kamjabani masi kalasi ai kamjaraga ai tension jage matung ekoi promotion bio hai bai ko di function nasi loi hoba ekoi na valuable speaker mayam amana ekoi na mutta ekoi na taje phangraba adugumba padmasri arivam syam haiba ekoi babu syam sidi film lam sida ekoi manipur didamakti ekoi sil lai makni haina khanya ba adugumba lamani masha na nasigi stage sida karingo wahi khalat thambi ba haise nasi ekoi lem mahan gunsi aduga loina talented personalities mayam amana ekoi lem le ni payamana silam sa agriculture silam sa ngang ko kom to masi loina let us make this very function or very event very efficient and very burning efficient. That is all I want to say. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Devdata Sharma. Today is in fact a very special day, not because today is the last episode of the year, but also because we are taking this opportunity to formally launch our Dynamic Manipur website. May I call upon the 4 members of Dynamic Manipur stage? These members have worked so hard to put this program together. So everybody, please give a big hand to all the 4 members of Dynamic Manipur. We would like to formally declare the launching of our website, www.dynamicmanipur.org.
www.dynamicmanipur.org.
The webpage displayed here on the screen is our official website. We have various other features. You may log in anytime and follow us. Thank you. I would also like to take this opportunity to let you know who our official partners are. We have 6 official partners: Bagina Diagnostic Center. We have Ligla, that is the Thangtum Agro Industries. We have the Sweet Memories Incorporated. We have the Classic Hotel. We have the Wide World Integration and Education Consultant. And lastly, we have Caesar Hospital and Research Institute. I, on behalf of Dynamic Manipur, would like to thank our official partners. Without you, this event would not have been successful. Thank you. So, coming up next, we have a very exciting program. We have a full show by the Manipur Cultural Ashram. They are all set and ready behind the stage. So, I hope you all enjoy. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause for our first performers, the team from the Manipur Cultural Ashram.
xem từng anh tàu xí sẽ linh xem cho tàu xí cái này tiền đây thì 시기 싸줘야 돼.
Wow. That was a wonderful performance by Akoija, Bongja, and team. Now, may I invite now the President of Dynamic Manipur to hand over to give to them. Thank you. Thank you so much. That was wonderful. May I please call upon stage Dr. Jibo, the honorary member of Dynamic Manipur, to present a short speech on regarding me.
Thank you. Thank you, Elizabeth. And now we have in our midst Tamu Radendra, Tamu Bireshwar, Tamu Anil Kumar. We have Mr. Somyo, Lord and four members of Dynamic Manipur and guests, invitees, and friends. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to say a few words about MIMS, that is Manipur Institute of Management Studies, and why I have to speak about MIMS. There's a reason for that, because when we started this episode, and also before this Dynamic Manipur became an organization, there were a lot of discussion about Dynamic Manipur and also the series of activities that will be organizing in due course of time. So for that reason, and also there are many reasons why I'm here to share with you some of the thoughts about MIMS and also about Dynamic Manipur MIMS. Yeah, let us know what is the full form of MIMS? Any idea? MIMS, Manipur University? Any one of you? What is MIMS? MIMS stands for Manipur Institute of Management Studies. Thank you very much. Give him a big hand. Thank you very much. MIMS stands for Manipur Institute of Management Studies. And my friends, does anyone of you find a change here about Dynamic Manipur? Anyone who finds something new in Dynamic Manipur when the way it is written there? Anyone of you? Okay, now the logo is new. Can anyone explain to me something about the logo? Elizabeth. Yeah, please tell us something about the logo.
We have color representation about the logo. The magenta, the orange, and the turquoise each have its own meaning. I did not memorize the meaning, so I'm not able to tell in particular which color means what. But all in all, it means integrity, a change. It means development, growth, and peace.
Thank you very much. Dear friends, we have some time now before Pabun's camp comes. That's why I'm given some time to say a few words. So thank you very much, Elizabeth, for explaining to us about Dynamic Manipur. Now, I will carry on with my job. That is because Pabun has come. Now, MIMS stands for Manipur Institute of Management Studies. And it was in the year 1995 that MIMS was started. And we impart management education, that is, we call it as MBA, Master of Business Administration. And we have specializations like marketing, and finance, human resource, operations, management, human resource management. So all MIMS is growth with quality, because we believe in not in quantity but in quality. that is there. And also that we offer program. Research has been very popular, and many students have joined the corporate world in various parts of India and also in various parts of the world. In many continents, they are there now. So we are spreading to nooks and corners of the world. That's there, and also that. Now let me tell you something briefly about this institution. See, when MIMS was started at the time, not many people knew about what is MBA. And people thought, what is the use of undertaking this course called MBA? Not useful at all. Because when you clear your class 12 standard or graduation, the thing that you have in mind is that you do engineering, and then or medical, or you pursue for something like UPSC exam, clear UPSC examinations, and then you become as officer, as IPS officers like that. And also now after doing MBA, when we educate people that you can become entrepreneur. So that was very shocking in the sense that entrepreneur means what? You don't have a job. So that was the kind of perception those days. Now we are organizing this function here at this Nepal hotel. Why? Because one entrepreneur was there, Dr. Dhavali. So now, because of him, we are here, and now he has given this call as sponsoring, as a sponsoring partner. So that helps us a lot. And these are the various roles that an entrepreneur undertakes. So these are very important. And also, let me tell you something briefly about Dynamic Manipur also. Why Dynamic Manipur is there? The goals are there, the objectives are there, and many of you are here, because Dynamic Manipur is organizing this thing. Dynamic Manipur is an organization, okay? It's an organization, it's a team effort, it's a volunteer, whatever you call, we are there. Now, it is registered, the formalities have been complete, right? And we don't go for profit motive, we go for non-profit motive, and our role is to organize events and undertake activities so that Manipur becomes dynamic. And various people have joined from various, among the diaspora group, there are many people from nooks and corners of the world who are members of Dynamic Manipur. So that is Dynamic Manipur in a nutshell. We are there because we feel that we can do something for the betterment of people in Manipur for tomorrow, right? Because we are positive about tomorrow, and so many changes will come take place in due course of time. And now we have this art, culture, this episode, and now we have been waiting for Pagum Siam for some time, and now and let the program continue because many other programs are there, and then we'll have more time for other kind of interactions later on. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Chibon, for the wonderful speech. I'm sure the audience here will have a better understanding of themes as well as the coming up next is an inspiration speech by a legendary figure in Manipur, a multi-talented and world-renowned filmmaker, Padma Shri Aribam Siam Sharma. Padma Shri Aribam Siam Sharma is a Manipuri film director and composer. He debuted in the Manipuri film scene as an actor in the movie Adamni Manipur. In 1974, he directed his first movie, Lambda Parshuram. His fourth movie as a director, Imagining Him, brought him international recognition when the movie received the Golden Mongol Beer in the Nantes Film Festival in 1982. His 1990 film, The Chosen One, was screened in Uncertain Regard section at the 1991 Cannes Film Festival. He was also honored with the Padma Shri Award. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big hand to Padma Shri Aribam Siam Sharma.
Thank you. Ay di magtilong na lang isa. Ahanda dynamic Manipur na sikumba jasing inausing aduga hawalakiba yang maruiba talented oiba nahal singa interact mongabari tanja makibidama dynamic Manipur na hamdu habite Manipur da talenti yang leba aduga magi chapraba kungo humne baba express to humne tabagi awaga akoi generate usura generate aduna ai tunsi lim phangwa Haji ay matamgi society environment mayam adugi background da ay khara jasinda khara wali mina adun khara like not formal way da yanna laptop na nyatana ya patsin na pagi mongda ay ngari thadun bige karino hada akoi ay tay mapusure aduna 8 years ki journey ama madi la ki concept ki of the mama haida madi tamme sida ayamana 30-45 ki maximum order kali sa teligo me aduna gifts yang sana double triple ni leis aduna kada tungwari lige loi asi khalso dum taw thaina di wari lige yang chana rami matam yang phangami wari di through the knowledge talmani almani mana cha phamdana makoi di experience mayam aduna actually life that maduni actually practical way da mathang knowledge is pass on the tamamani adudi ki matandadi amadu yang tamsi amna layer tamina sigi concept si hongi actually we apply to si hongi madudi masana ta matra perso kun nunganga ite todo COVID situation tawi ado akogi matam sidi langdai da yang important langdai di hangi maluna hangi tradition aduga uji anova asiga ani di langdai da 50 years and 40 no yen also 50 30 no yen also madri langdai ani si puri maraktai singapore na tawi ayam dinasi televisi loina akli balona independent thangba bharat thangba mutung de popuna yam soitang gani akoi mamangi balona second world war di mamangi society de hingappa matam de khalappa matam de ahlam sin pir ka values akoi sin simi sin lali haina khalappa akoi madura yaw khalappa adu ojiki sina madudi just worry on the tawfiba matlab ke jo kari kande lagi haina khala pamta akoi di mamang de changil lagal wari haina khala pamta sida khali sumba akoi kawraga tungwari wa khala tani haina hai ai yam na haina khali aduga musi akoi chakhat na bigi mo amani karino the heritage has yielded society ama heritage to society chakot we are on the cultural we are heritage is a darkar le heritage is UNESCO na heritage a gift from the past
to the present, and from the present to the future, have na after no hali exam. Ado past year the dia da benina, to past ki service. Samna gift ama masi khare na khanga aduna su mathau da hai. Aduna aina kitam halongi morsi laga subject na yamna matamda yamna nova dina nova film line da maru ne changpa oina masi wali mo khala ai ni chasina da kana tumkhana ni khana aku share dengan si koina anang ne kaje koina Second World War di mamang 1942 ni Second World War has 1942 ni Italia stable Japan punya kundi ayu tendera kumang wanda sanadna kuji namanya sanad lekan European empire pasi uji empire betul wang European empire pasi ini bisa aku nak tentu ni just like uji empire amu kita pai kita mau kondida agar ni hamai besar orang sendok macam ni produksi tahu tak agar di bom jitagare agar macam ni senyum cina ayam dua bom tarani hai besi han kena information han ni na human the bom jitau aku tumhang dia tu kamu makasih ku memang jauh macam mana. Bagi jenjang lagi luar lah. Bagi menghoda jenjang ke menghoda jauh dengan ni. Bagi luar lah. Aku second World War tu pun mesti. Aku itu ini time ni sedikit lah.